Hi, this is Stu once again. On this episode, I go to Vincennes to be with my oldest son, Dillyan. We actually had to get some warranty work done on the RV. Our glass right there in the oven door one morning while we were sleeping, early in the morning, like 3 o'clock, popped. It just popped. We hadn't been cooking in it. Was a bad temper on the glass, is what we were told. We took it back up to get the warranty work done on that, and Evans and Sons is just down the road from Vincennes, so I took the opportunity to visit Dillyan, and we had a camping trip after the warranty work got done. We went fishing and we had a good time. And Dillyan is my outdoor kid. He loves being outdoors. He loves hunting and fishing, of course RVing, camping. So he'll be in a few more videos coming up in the future. We don't get to see him as often as we'd like. We try to make each moment with him enjoyable. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Quabache Park, I believe is what it's called. That was the original Indian name for the place, and it ended up being called Walbash. That's where the Walbash River got its name, I believe. So pretty interesting history up there. It's a very cool park, and it's right next door to some historical sites as well. I didn't have a chance to visit those, but maybe on a future episode we'll get to do that. to go? Okay, hold on. You got everything?
Yeah.
Jackpot, dude. They got, oh, this is all like got pavers down on it. That is so cool. Want to sit on a log?
It's up to you.
Just gotta be careful and set your tackle box this way so it don't tump over. I'll get you rigged up. You're actually already rigged, aren't you? You just need a sinker, don't you?
Yeah.
Are you wanting to sinker it or floater it?
Which one's the best?
Well, with a catfish pole, I'm going to sinker it. Oh boy. Oh boy. First fishing trip of the season.
Huh?
First fishing trip of the season. For me, you've been fishing already.
Not here.
No, not here, but where did you do with the bug spray? Is it in there?
It's in there.
Come here, let's get you covered first before we get going. Now we're all greased up and oiled up. You want a piece of gum?
Yeah.
This is a lucky piece. I don't know what the difference is, but that's a lucky one. Don't you catch a fish before me.
I don't know.
You know, I'm supposed to be rigging my pole. So I can catch a fish before you.
Yeah, right.
I'm going to get about halfway through this process on mine. You're going to go, there go fish! And I'm going to get mad.
What do you mean you're going to get mad?
Because you do it to me all the time. We're here at, what is this, Kimmel Park.
I think so.
It's a public park. This is the only place we get public access to the Walbash River. But it is nice. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have a comment or a suggestion for us, please leave a comment below. As always, get busy living.